we are going to draw a face, it's better to add grid to image. Search for YouTube video to learn how to add grid to image. If you're drawing eye for first time, then try separately. First once. Sand color is very important for eyes. It gives very good realistic effect. Sprinkle black over the sand color. I really enjoyed coloring the eyes. Mix white and black and apply at the corners of the eyes. This red color adds more anger to the eyes, sprinkled only a little bit and not more. Sprinkle some white mixed with red on the top to highlight bright spots. For red brows, apply black lines first and the white mixed black line adjacent to that. Colors and shades gives realistic view. Mix blue and dark blue and apply at darker spots. Mix blue and white and apply at brighter spots. The final bright spots on nose using white mixed with little blue is very important. Usually, I am not good in giving realistic shapes, but my faith and love in Goddess Kali made it happen. black or white based on the intensity. Apply white in brighter corner and black in darker corner. Mix equal amount and sprinkle in middle. Time to take a pause and enjoy your Rangoli. Do corrections if required. Design your own ornaments and have fun. Simple. Sprinkle multiple dots, one over other, using different colors. For hair, first apply bases black, then blue lines, then 12 lines to highlight bright spots. Please mention in the comment if you are trying this Kali. Thank you, Durga Puja wishes. Subscribe, share, like.